Zoho Projects offers a lot, but before you buy, there are 12 important things you need to know. If you're considering Zoho Projects, you might be wondering how it compares to other tools like Asana, Trello, or Monday.com. We'll dive into the details and give you a fair comparison to help you make an informed decision. First, Zoho Projects is great for team collaboration with its easy-to-use interface, but it's not as visually appealing as tools like Monday.com. If design and user experience are important to you, Zoho might not be as intuitive at first, though it's certainly functional once you get the hang of it. Next, Zoho Projects offers robust task management features like subtasks, dependencies, and recurring tasks, but it doesn't have the drag-and-drop simplicity that Asana does. Asana's interface is more visually fluid, which can be an advantage for teams that prioritize quick organization. The third thing to note is its time tracking feature. It's built directly into the platform, which is great for teams that need to log hours without relying on a third-party app. That said, Zoho's time tracking isn't as advanced as what you get with dedicated tools like Harvest or Toggle, so it might not be suitable if you need more detailed insights. The fourth thing to consider is Zoho Project's integration capabilities. Zoho integrates with a ton of Zoho apps, like Zoho CRM and Zoho Invoice, which is a major advantage if you're already using their ecosystem. But if you're heavily invested in other tools like Slack or Google Workspace, you might find the integrations more limited compared to competitors like Trello. Next up, the pricing structure can be a little tricky. While Zoho Projects offers a free plan, its premium options can become pricey as you add more users or need advanced features. Compared to tools like Trello or Asana, which have competitive pricing models, Zoho's cost can stack up fast if you need everything. The sixth thing to keep in mind is its reporting and analytics. Zoho Projects offers customizable reports, but they can be more complex to set up compared to the user-friendly dashboards you get with Monday.com. It's powerful, but it might take a little more time to get the hang of it. The seventh thing to know is that Zoho Projects allows for detailed document management, but its file sharing features aren't as smooth as tools like Dropbox or Google Drive, which might be more familiar to your team. Next, Zoho Project's mobile app isn't as polished as some competitors like Asana. It's functional, but it might not provide the seamless experience you're used to when using other apps on the go. The ninth thing to consider is its client access feature. Zoho Projects allows you to share your projects with clients easily, but managing permissions can be a little bit of a hassle, especially compared to the simplicity of Trello's guest access system. Another important point is customer support. Zoho Projects provides a range of support options, but it's not as responsive as tools like Monday.com. If your team needs immediate assistance, you may find that other platforms are faster in response. The 11th thing is the learning curve. While Zoho Projects isn't the most complex tool, it can take time to learn all the features. If you're looking for something with an easier learning curve, Asana or Trello might be a better choice for your team. Lastly, Zoho Projects offers a good range of features for small and medium-sized teams, but if you have a large enterprise-level team, you might run into limitations. Other tools like Monday.com have more scalable options for larger teams, making them a better choice in those cases. In conclusion, Zoho Projects is a solid option, especially if you're already in the Zoho ecosystem or looking for strong project management at a fair price. However, if you want a more user-friendly solution or a platform with better integrations, we recommend checking out our preferred tool, which you can try for free.